Hampden Bridge, Hampden Bridge, Hampden Bridge, Hampden Bridge. Located in Kangaroo Valley, New South Wales, Australia, is a heritage-listed suspension bridge that carries Moss Valley Road across the Kangaroo River. The bridge was designed by Ernest McCartney de Burgh and built by Loveridge and Hudson, with construction beginning in 1895, completing in 1898. Hampden Bridge, built in 1898, carries you across the Kangaroo River. Hampden Bridge, made of wood, stone and steel, suspended high, suspended in time. Hampden Bridge, a castle built in Kangaroo Valley. Hampden Bridge, you have stood the test of time. Four large Victorian Gothic Revival crenellated turrets made of locally quarried sandstone, with a clear main span of 77 metres and a height of 16 metres above the water. The deck is stiffened by timber-side trusses which are hinged at midspan, and the bridge has a single lane for vehicular traffic with two narrow pedestrian walkways. The bridge's suspension cables consist of 14 steel wire ropes, each with a specified tensile strength of 79 tonnes, anchored vertically at pits at either end of the bridge. The cables are supported by sandstone towers with a solid mass concrete core and finished with sandstone blocks. Hampden Bridge, built in 1898, carries you across the Kangaroo River. Hampden Bridge, made of wood, stone and steel, suspended high, suspended in time. Hampden Bridge, a castle built in Kangaroo Valley. Hampden Bridge, you have stood the test of time. Only surviving timber deck vehicular suspension bridge constructed in the 19th century in New South Wales and is listed on the New South Wales State Heritage Register. The bridge has undergone regular maintenance and upkeep since its opening, with major redecking works undertaken in 1938 to 1942 and other repairs and replacements over the years. The bridge's historic significance is due to its association with engineer Ernest McCartney de Burgh and builders Loveridge and Hudson, as well as its representation of the key characteristics of a small class of Australian suspension bridges. Its aesthetic and technical qualities are also highly valued by the local and wider community. Hampden Bridge, built in 1898, carries you across the Kangaroo River. Hampden Bridge, made of wood, stone and steel, suspended high, suspended in time. Hampden Bridge, a castle built in Kangaroo Valley. Hampden Bridge, you have stood the test of time. Of your castle, and everyone else is a dirty rascal. A dirty rascal. A dirty rascal. I'm the king of the castle. Hampden Bridge, built in 1898, carries you across the Kangaroo River. Hampden Bridge, made of wood, stone and steel, suspended high and suspended in time. Hampden Bridge, a castle in Kangaroo Valley. Hampden Bridge, you have stood the test of time.